As CFO, it's important to ensure investment management technology spend is optimized. Platform providers could be internal to the firm, running a proprietary system, or an external vendor providing software as a service. Here are 3 questions to ask the platform provider. 1. Can you accommodate our specific needs through engineering adjustments rather than adding functions? This question explores the provider's flexibility and willingness to tailor solutions. If they can meet needs through existing architecture or minor modifications, it could save on per-feature costs typical of extensive roadmap additions. For example, if the firm requires a specific compliance check not currently offered, the provider might be able to adapt their existing compliance rules engine to accommodate this need rather than building a completely new module. 2. How do your offerings compare to competitors in terms of meeting our strategic goals, especially regarding cost effectiveness? This encourages the provider to differentiate themselves and highlight areas where they might provide better value. It also prompts them to consider the firm's specific strategic needs, potentially revealing alternative approaches. For example, if the firm has an activist focus, the provider may compare their available data integration resources and reporting capabilities with competitors. 3. Which firms in our peer group have similar profiles and what features have they found valuable that we might be overlooking? This taps into the provider's experience and collective knowledge base. It could reveal features that are beneficial to firms with similar investment strategies, potentially uncovering needs that hadn't been realized and could help to avoid future costs for special programming. For example, if other asset management firms have benefited from pre-trade compliance checks to avoid portfolio investment breaches, this knowledge could highlight the value of this feature, potentially preventing future issues. Here are 3 questions to ask the internal platform managers. 1. Are there competitor products that our users recommend that might better meet our needs or offer cost savings? This leverages the hands-on experience and insights of the team. Their feedback might highlight areas where current solutions are lacking or where competitor products offer better functionality or pricing. It encourages a bottom-up evaluation of platform effectiveness. For example, if the traders consistently complain about the current EMS's lack of real-time data, exploring competitor platforms could lead to improvements in trading efficiency and potentially reduce transaction costs. 2. Which automation processes have we considered but were too expensive, and could we revisit those decisions in light of new technologies or roadmap developments? This encourages a reevaluation of previously dismissed ideas. Advancements in technology, changes in vendor offerings, or upcoming roadmap features might make previously unfeasible automation solutions now viable. For example, a previously rejected proposal to automate trade order allocation due to system limitations might be reconsidered if the vendor's roadmap includes enhancements to the allocation module, or if new API integrations become available that simplify the process. 3. Are there any upcoming vendor roadmap features that could address our needs and potentially eliminate the need for custom development or workaround solutions? This promotes proactive planning and alignment with a vendor's development targets. For example, if the team is struggling with manual data aggregation for performance attribution, it might be worth postponing the development of a custom solution if the vendor plans to release enhanced performance attribution features in the near future. However, caution should be taken with vendor estimates that may impact internal schedules. Lastly, having these discussions with both platform providers and internal management teams, you can create a more cost-effective and strategically aligned technology environment. This approach ensures that investments in technology not only meet current needs but also position the firm for future growth and success. See the playlist at CFOBizTT.com for more executive briefs and visit BizTT.com for more on investment management technology.